Gucci people, I'm gonna show y'all beginner's basic on how to make fried shrimp. As you see over here, I got my shrimp, and I also have a little bit of milk. I got Tony Satchers. If you don't have Tony Satchers, you can use season all, any type of season that you got. Just gotta be some good season. And I also got milk in here. And then what I do is I kind of mix it in here. This is that way you don't get it all on your fingers. So you put it all in here and you just mix it up. And I devein them, but some of them still got the stuff in it. Then what you do is you take your shrimp and you put it in there. You get you another one. This is the reason why I do it this way. That way I don't want to get my hands dirty. Just put it over there. Mix it up real good. All right. You can use your hand, but like I said, that'll be a reason why I'm not doing a video. So you mix it up like that, and then you got your shrimp, and then you fry it just like that. So I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get my hand in there real fast. Put your hand in there. Just kind of mix it up. And the reason why I'm saying this is beginner basic because everybody not gonna get the plastic bag. Everybody not gonna just have their hands dead in the, in here. So you can do it with a fork or something like that. But you wanna get your shrimp kind of bad. Look at my son. As y'all didn't know, I actually just had a son. Kind of get it like that. You wanna make sure the season all over it. But like I said, beginner's basic. And this one, as you see, we have the milk. We have 1 egg, and then I have my seasoning. I put it in there, I stir it up, come to this side, put it in here, and this is how it comes. I'm gonna show y'all how one fry up. If y'all want it just how I do it, this is the same exact way I do it. Give me like 2 seconds. Supposed to look, if you want the real Cajun way, you gotta have your plate looking like that by the time you finish putting the season on it. I got all my seasoning in all spots. Drop them in there. Make sure it's hot, and it's go time, baby. You see, when they finish, they done. Want to shake the grease off, shake it over just like this. It's a little kind of dark right now, but I'm gonna kind of show y'all. You want to make sure you got your napkins. Your toilet paper down there. That's what happens when you ain't got no napkins. Boom. I'm gonna show y'all the finished final product up close real fast. And this is how your shrimp is supposed to look. Pick out one.